Hello guys, welcome to HitPod channel. Removing background from a photo is an essential skill for video creators. You must have seen some YouTubers use their own photos and outline themselves as video thumbnails, or in some creative image compositing or some VFX compositing. Background removal is a must-step among them all. So in this video I will introduce 3 useful tools, which I often use myself, and find them really powerful and efficient for creating. Desktop, online and mobile platforms are all covered. You may use the proper one whenever you edit with a computer or a mobile phone. Okay, so let's get started. The first app I would like to recommend is Adobe Photoshop. If you need to do lots of photo editing, this will be the primary choice. So we launch Photoshop. Here I import an image that I find on the internet. Now we go to the image layers, click on this lock to remove it. Then we can have more operations on the image. There are several ways to remove background in Photoshop. The first method is using quick actions. You can find it in the properties. If you can't find this quick actions, it might due to different versions of Photoshop. It's alright if you can't find this feature. I will mention another way later. Now let's go through this quick actions first. Click on this small icon to expand it, then simply click remove background. Boom, the background is gone. Because Photoshop has created a mask for the image layer, we can zoom in to check the result and give it a background. Basically the result is fine, except for some white edges remain. It is normal because AI still couldn't fix this problem perfectly, so we need to fix it manually. Choose the brush tool, change the color to black. This will erase the part we don't need. Then remember to select the mask beside the image layer. It means we will be painting on the mask. Next, zoom in to erase the white edges carefully. By the way, you can change the brush size and feather in the settings. If we overpaint the mask, just change the color to white, then paint where we overpaint. The content will be shown again. Now it looks good. We can give it whatever background you want. Add some text, place them beneath the people, and make it a thumbnail or a cover. That's it. There is another way without using quick actions. We go back to the original look, select the quick selection tool, and click on the person in the image. These marked areas will appear. It means we have selected these areas. We quickly do some selection, then click on select subject. The whole person will automatically be chosen. Now we zoom in to check. It is looking good except for some small edges. That's normal. All we need to do is to use this tool to subtract the part we don't want. Alright, now you already know the way, so I will just quickly skip it and head to the result. The second app is called Pixar Photo and Video Editor. It is available on both iOS and Android system. I have already downloaded it on my iPhone, so I will use it as an example. Open it. Tap this plus icon to import the image. I will import the same image we used. And in here, you can see a feature called Remove BG with a small crown on it. Tap on it. Seconds later, the background will be automatically recognized and removed. We scale it to check. As you can see that the background is not clean enough. There are still white edges, so we need to use the brush tool to remove it manually. You can find the Restore and Erase brush down below. Change the brush size and paint over the image to remove the background. Well, to be honest, I don't like the experience to remove background with my fingers on mobile phones. It is really hard. I couldn't select the small details at all. I will just show you the way to remove background in mobile phones, but I would still recommend doing this on your computer. When you finish erasing the rest of the background, tap on this gold icon to proceed. Well, the app is telling us to pay before exporting the image. It is a good app with lots of cool features on mobile, but some features are not free, so it depends on you whether to use it or not. The third app is a web AI tool. We don't even need to download it. It can handle some light removal work when there is no other photo editing tools. What's more, it is completely free to use. Now let me show you how to use it. Enter HitPaw's official website, which is hitpaw.com. Then find Online Tools, Background Remover. Click on it. There it is. Here is a quick guide to lead you to remove the background. Here we can click on Choose File, select the image you want. It will be displayed on the page. Go on to click Remove Background and wait for the process. It won't take too long. As you can see that the background has been removed successfully. If the result is fine to you, just click Download to get the image. If you are not pleased with it, you may click this edit icon. The page will be directed to a more professional interface. Here we can use brush to erase or restore the background and add new background. So we select the erase brush and reduce the brush size, then slightly paint the edge. Where we paint will be automatically feathered in order to better match the background. If we paint too much, just use the restore brush to bring the content back. So this is how we use HitPaw Background Remover to erase the background. I will speed up the process. When you feel okay with it, just click Download to get the file image. Alright, so these are the top 3 background removal apps. You can select the most suitable one according to different situations. If this video helps, please subscribe and share it with your friends. Your encouragements will be a great help for us. We will keep uploading tips and tricks on image and video editing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.